Tonight, y'all, my husband wants squash casserole using the squash out of our garden. I'm going to share with y'all how to make easy and simple squash casserole. Now this recipe calls for cream of mushroom. I don't have any cream of mushroom, so I'm going to take this little can of mushrooms and I'm going to show you how to make your own cream of mushroom soup. To start off, we're going to boil our squash for 15 minutes. Now that I've got my squash fork tender, we're going to drain it. Okay, we've got our squash drained, so we're going to put it in this bowl right here. And we're going to use this same pan to make our cream of mushroom sauce in, so we don't have to dirty up another pot. So to that right there, what I'm going to do is we're going to take 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to add our 2 tablespoons of butter to our little saucepan and let it start melting down. Now I've already drained my mushrooms, so we're just going to put them on the cutting board with our onions right here. And I'm just going to take and roughly chop up my mushrooms. Now if you don't like the mushrooms, you could make the sauce without the mushrooms. But our recipe from our cookbook calls for 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. We got our butter heating up. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my mushrooms to my saucepan. And give them a little mix. We're going to let those cook just for a few minutes. And now to that, I'm going to add some black pepper, a little salt, a half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, and give that a mix. That's what they're looking like. Now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. We're going to let that cook for just a few minutes to get that taste of that flour out of our cream of mushroom soup. And now that that's cooked a few minutes, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add half a cup of milk and a half a cup of water. And now we're going to let this come up to a boil while we're getting our other part of our squash casserole ready. Now making your cream of soup this way, you know what you're putting in your recipe. You don't have all those bad ingredients in your cream of soup. Yeah, you can buy a can for just a few dollars, but it's just as easy to make it yourself. Okay, that's what it's looking like. Now I'm going to stop right there. You can keep cooking it and get it a little bit thicker, but for my casserole, I'm going to leave it just like that. Okay, y'all, here's our squash. And to that, I'm going to add my 1 small onion diced up to it. And we're going to go with this bowl and see how it turns out. I hope it winds up being big enough. I'm going to add 1 slightly beaten egg to it. We're going to add some sharp cheddar cheese, probably about a half a cup. Now some people don't like putting cheese in their squash casserole. That's all up to you. We're going to be eyeballing it. I'm going to put probably 2 tablespoons of sour cream. About 1/4 of a cup of milk. And now we're going to be adding our cream of mushroom soup that we made. Woo, this bowl's getting mighty full, y'all. You think it's going to be able to handle it? We're fixing to see. And now we're just going to mix it. We're not going to add no more salt and pepper because we've already put that in our cream of soup. So now we're just going to mix this together. How many of y'all out there remember these kind of bowls? This is one that was my mother-in-law's bowl. Okay, we're going to slide that over. And now we're going to be using this pot to put it in. And this is a well-loved little pot. And you can put it in the oven. That's what I like about it. I'm going to take this butter right here and we're going to rub and coat the inside of this little pot. Now it's been sitting on the oven over here, so it's warm. Now I'm going to take my squash casserole mix and put it right in there. I got a lot going on this afternoon, y'all. Trying to get all this supper done tonight. And now we have some Ritz crackers. And I'm going to take probably about that many. That's probably about 15. And we're just going to crumble them up right on top for our crust. And now this little bit of butter that I got left, just going to put it right on top of it. And let it cook down in those crackers. Oops, if I can get it on there. This squash come out of our garden, so we're trying to go through it and use it up with different recipes. Now what I like about using this little pot is it has this lid that goes with it. So I don't want my crust to get too brown, so if you're using something that don't have a lid, just put foil on it and cook it for about 30 minutes, and then right before you get it done, the last 10 minutes, take your lid off. But to start with, we're going to put our lid on it. We're going to put it in the oven on 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, y'all, let's check our squash casserole and see what it's looking like. Ooh, it's gonna be good, y'all. Now I was gonna take the lid off of mine, but I think mine is a pretty golden brown, so I'm just going to stop right there. I'm not going to worry about putting it back in there with the lid off. But now if yours is not as brown as you'd like it, just stick it back in there with the lid off for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and serve us up some and let you see what it looks like, in case y'all decide you want to try this recipe. Y'all just look at that. It's gonna be good. There's how I make Southern style squash casserole. I hope y'all like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Comment down below anything that you could add to this.